Welcome to Yanqing Node News, a global AI news roundup. April 11th, 2026. Today's important news includes Haas to lead SoftBank International, OpenAI building new cybersecurity model, Alibaba releases HappyHorse video model, first take it down conviction, CIA issues first AI report. Now, let's start the main text. 1. ARM CEO Rene Haas is expected to take on a more significant role within SoftBank Group to oversee its international business and better integrate ARM with the company's Project Izanagi AI strategy. This arrangement would see Haas managing SoftBank's overseas semiconductor and AI-related assets while continuing his duties as the CEO of ARM. The move is designed to create a vertically integrated AI infrastructure ecosystem that allows SoftBank to compete more effectively with giants like NVIDIA in the global AI chip market. 2. Tubi has become the first streaming platform to launch a native application within ChatGPT, allowing users to discover and watch films using natural language. By integrating its personalization engine directly into the ChatGPT interface, Tubi aims to reach users at the moment they express a desire for specific content types. This strategic shift from building internal AI tools to leveraging external AI ecosystems marks a significant step in ChatGPT's evolution into a content distribution operating system. 3. OpenAI is reportedly developing a new cybersecurity model to rival Anthropic's Claude Mythos, an advanced model capable of high-level offensive and defensive cyber operations. Due to the extreme risks associated with AI-driven large-scale attacks, both companies are restricting access to these powerful models to a small group of vetted corporate and security partners. This rivalry signifies a scary phase in the AI industry where frontier models are deemed too dangerous for public release and require highly controlled governance frameworks. 4. Alibaba anonymously launched a new AI video generation model named HappyHorse 1.0, which quickly claimed the top spot on major industry performance leaderboards. The model, developed by a team including the former mastermind behind the Kling video model, reportedly outperforms ByteDance's competing technology in quality and stability. Alibaba is now integrating HappyHorse 1.0 into its cloud services to provide content production solutions for enterprise customers globally. 5. Samsung Electronics plans to invest $4 billion in a new semiconductor packaging and testing facility in Vietnam to meet the surging demand for AI and data center hardware. This project focuses on advanced packaging technologies like 2.5D/3D integration, which allow for performance gains without solely relying on traditional transistor shrinkage. The investment reinforces Vietnam's role as a strategic hub in the global semiconductor supply chain and highlights a broader trend of supply chain diversification amid geopolitical pressures. 6. Former DeepMind and Apple researchers have founded Elorian, a startup focused on native multimodal reasoning that recently raised $55 million in seed funding. The company aims to build models that truly understand the physical world and spatial relationships, moving beyond the toddler-level visual reasoning of current large-scale models. Elorian plans to target high-value sectors such as robotics, autonomous driving, and architecture, where reliable visual understanding is a critical requirement for AGI. 7. Chapter, an AI-driven Medicare broker valued at $3 billion, uses automated algorithms to help American seniors navigate and select complex health insurance plans. The platform achieves high profit margins by significantly reducing the need for human agents while providing personalized recommendations based on user health data. However, the deep involvement of AI in such sensitive decisions has raised regulatory and ethical concerns regarding potential biases and accountability for incorrect recommendations. 8. An Ohio man has become the first person convicted under the federal Take It Down Act for producing and distributing non-consensual AI-generated deepfake pornography. The defendant used over 100 AI tools to create thousands of explicit images and videos targeting both adults and minors within his local community. This landmark case serves as a major precedent for the enforcement of laws designed to hold individuals and platforms accountable for AI-driven sexual exploitation. 9. AfterQuery, a startup founded by a 23-year-old, has reached a $100 million annual revenue run rate by providing high-quality expert annotated training data to top AI labs. The company specializes in code and finance datasets, capitalizing on the industry's shift from raw compute power to scarce, expert-level human feedback. This rapid growth reflects a broader human data gold rush as labs compete for the specialized data needed to improve model performance in high-stakes tasks. 10. The CIA has produced its first-ever fully autonomous intelligence report, marking a milestone in the agency's effort to integrate generative AI into core analytic missions. Plans are underway to embed dedicated AI colleagues across all analysis platforms to help verify human conclusions, identify trends, and process massive amounts of open-source data. This strategic push is part of a broader effort to maintain a technological edge over global competitors in automated intelligence production and cyber operations. 11. Key leaders of OpenAI's Stargate supercomputing project have departed the company to join Meta, signaling a major shift in the industry's talent and infrastructure landscape. OpenAI is reportedly transitioning from a strategy of massive self-built data centers to a more flexible model focused on cloud rentals and distributed clusters. Meanwhile, Meta is aggressively hiring these experts to execute its own multi-hundred-billion-dollar plan to build sovereign AI infrastructure for its future models. 12. Cisco is in talks to acquire the Israeli AI security startup Astrix for at least $250 million to address the emerging risks of uncontrolled, autonomous AI agents. Astrix provides a platform that monitors and manages non-human identities, such as API connections and AI bots, to prevent unauthorized access to sensitive corporate data. This move highlights a growing industry focus on agentic workflows, where AI directly executes tasks rather than just providing suggestions. 13. Alibaba and China Telecom have launched a 10,000-chip ShengShu AI cluster in southern China, utilizing Alibaba's self-developed semiconductor architecture. This project represents a significant step toward domestic self-reliance in AI infrastructure, achieving system-level performance that rivals high-end global GPUs through massive scale and network optimization. The cluster is already being used for commercial training and inference services across various industries, including healthcare and advanced manufacturing. 14. Accenture has made a strategic investment in the AI coding platform Replit to accelerate the adoption of AI-driven software development for large enterprise clients. The partnership aims to popularize vibe coding, a new paradigm where natural language prompts and AI agents drastically compress the cycle from business idea to production-ready application. Accenture will use Replit internally while collaborating to create scalable AI development workflows tailored for different industrial sectors. 15. LG AI Research has unveiled EXAONE 4.5, a 33 billion parameter multimodal model that demonstrates world-class performance in STEM and complex visual reasoning tasks. The model uses a hybrid attention architecture to achieve high efficiency, matching the performance of much larger models while lowering deployment costs for enterprises. LG has also adopted an open-weight strategy, releasing the model to the global research community to foster a broader ecosystem around its multimodal technology. 16. Alibaba Cloud led a $293 million funding round for ShengShu Technology, a startup known for its video generation platform. The funding will be used to develop a general world model that can simulate physical reality through multimodal data, bridging the gap between digital content and physical action. ShengShu is also expanding into robotics and embodied AI, aiming to provide a universal brain for industrial and commercial robotic systems.